Okay. Our next topic is associated words. Now, what is associated? Associated means connect, and associated words mean the word which gives us idea about something else, or we can say which is connected with another word. Okay, that one is called associated word. Now, which one is connected? How we will know that this thing is connected? See, in this exercise, in exercise B, here are some sets of words. Write the name of each group. Beetle, mosquito, and cockroach. What are these? These all are what? They have already written insects. Now, blue, pink, green. These are what? Blue, pink, and green. These are colors. Now this one, chess, basketball, and cricket. These all are what? They have given G. G for what? G for game. And the last one, parrot, cocoa, and crow. These all are what? And they have given us already the clue word B. Clue letter B. So B for bird. These all are bird. Now come to the next one. Here it is called syllable. Use words of two syllable. That means syllable means the short form of or the different pronunciation of any kind of sentence. For example, we can write spider. When we are saying spider, that times what we are pronouncing first? We are pronouncing spy and then dar. Isn't it? We are using the words. We are uttering the words in two times. That means spider. There is a small gap. Spider. That's why this is called syllable. But this word play, we are not making any pause in play. That's why play is not a syllable word. But if we say color, color, that means we are using a pause. Then if we say similar, similar. So how much pause we are giving? See, me, and lar. So this one is 3 steps syllable, 2 step syllable, and 2 step syllable. And here we will know about 2 step syllable. Now see, they have given us first clue. It is a small creature. And what is a small creature? SPSI. So we will write here SPI and another one DER. Spider. Spy and dar. 2 pause here. That's why this is called 2 syllable words. Next one, it is a fight between 2 groups. 2 groups fight is what? Battle. So our first, this one, BAT, bat, and tell. Bat, tell. So we are making a pause. Battle. This is someone famous and admired. Legend. Someone is famous means legend. So again we are making a pause. Legend. This means to lose against someone. Now first you tell me what will be the answer. This is defeat. Defeat. So here how many pause? D and fit. 2 pause. Defeat. So these are our syllable. Okay, So that's all for today. I hope now all of you understood about our today's lesson. The first one was using grammar. Today we learned about verbs and present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, that means ing form, and verb means action word or doing word. And then we do the using word. We have learned 3 words, the similar pronunciation or similar hearing but different meaning. And associated words, associated means connected words, and the last one, syllable. Okay, that's all for today. Stay home and be safe. Bye bye.